Today, we're comparing the iRobot Roomba Vac Essential and the iRobot Roomba 676. If you're interested in either vacuum, the links will be in the video description, so let's see which one is right for you. Let's examine the design and construction of each vacuum. The Essential features the iRobot logo at the forefront, flanked by 3 control buttons, while the 676 mirrors this layout. The Essential boasts a matte finish offering a modern aesthetic, while the 676 opts for a glossy appearance, invoking a more traditional vibe. Underneath, the Essential employs a single V-shaped brush, contrasting with the 676's dual multi-surface brushes. Additionally, the Essential boasts a larger 600ml dustbin compared to the 676's 350ml capacity. When measuring CFM for both units, they showed comparable results. The Essential reached a max of 4.7 CFM, while the 676 peaked at 3.9. During our carpet deep clean test, both models achieved an impressive score of 90 out of 100. Don't overlook smart features. With both vacuums, you can wheel control through the iRobot Home app, scheduling cleanings, checking your cleaning history, and even enlisting your trusty voice assistant for a helping hand. Now let's weigh in on the overall value of these vacuums. While the Vac Essential may come at a slightly higher price point than the 676, it's worth considering its new release status, upgraded cleaning system, row-by-row navigation, and an improved single roller cleaning brush. So if you're after stronger suction power and slightly better navigation, the Roomba Vac Essential takes the cake. But if you're on the hunt for affordability without compromising on standard cleaning features, the 676 is your go-to option for excellent value.